gonna jump right into this tutorial with this bomb wig. This is brought to you by WowAfrican. All their information is down below in that description box. And here I'm just showing y'all all the contents of the box, the wig itself, the comb, the flyaway tamer, which I love, y'all will see at the end, and a couple wig caps. And I'm so excited to show y'all this wig because this is my first time ever having a HD transparent Swiss lace wig. So y'all, look at that, off bat already bomb. And here's the inside of the wig with those 3 clips. I love that it has that adjustable elastic band. That is just everything to get you like a glueless meltdown if you know, want to go for that. And then that large comb in the back with those adjustable bands. And it also came with the additional adjustable band, which was really nice. But if you're interested in this wig, all of the details will be down below in the description box, and they are having a 25% off Black Friday sale, so make sure y'all go and check them out. Like, I love me some WowAfrican wigs, very sturdy, very good quality wigs. And like I said, this is my first time trying the HD Swiss, and I'm already just so in love with it. Like, it's just a scalp right off bat. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into the meltdown. I'm just using this Got To Be gel to slick my hair back. Excuse my raggedy braids. I did my nails and I cannot really braid with my nails on. So I got some raggedy braids, but it's okay. We're going to make it do what it do. And now you just want to put the wig on and see how it fits. And y'all, when I say I was shook because look how this lace is just literally transparent. Like, you can see everything underneath, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to come correct. I'm gonna have to really melt this down for real, and have this seamless, have my bald cap seamless and everything, because that regular cap is not gonna work because that lace is really for real transparent. So y'all can see me going ahead with the ball cap method, which is basically it gives you a more seamless look, gives you a more it's a scalp type of look, especially when you got some good lace like this. You want to go ahead and do the most. Go ahead. So I just got that hardened, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess cap off. And here I just realized my cap was a little bit too far down, so I just kind of scooted it back and cut some more cap off and slick down them little edges with the gel and everything, because you want everything to just be really flush to your head. And then I went in with my Sally Hansen airbrush legs. Y'all, this is just the best thing in life. I should have sprayed it a little further away, because the closer you are, it leaves more you know how it looks shiny like that? You don't want it like that. You want it more so how the back part of my head looks, rather than that front part. That was a little bit too much, so I had to kind of wipe some off and all that. But anyway, I'm just kind of pressing that cap in with the back of a eyebrow razor, just to get everything blended in. You want everything to kind of look as seamless as possible, look like a scalp. So now is the official meltdown time. I'm putting that wig back on, and yes, hunty, bald cap came through, because girl, it's a whole scalp. It is a scalp. Girl, I was so shook at this transparent lace, y'all. And I'm just using that free spray to melt my wig down. I don't do the whole glues and stuff. I just ain't got the time for it. And the spray works great for me. I can keep it on for a whole day. I really could keep it on for a couple days if I wanted to, but y'all know how I like to snatch my wig off at night. So this works great for me. And I just, as y'all can see, take a little bit of hair out, pull it towards the front, spray right there on the scalp looking part, and just blow dry, and that's it. Where is the lace? That's all I want to know. Where is it? Because I don't see it. This looks so flawless. I could have stopped right here. Didn't even really need baby hairs, but y'all know how I feel about my baby hairs. So I'm going to go ahead, take my hot comb and pull some out. But as y'all can see, this lace is so freaking bomb. Girl, HD Swiss is really lit. I didn't think it would make much of a difference having transparent lace, but it actually really does. So I'm just cutting down my baby hairs, and today I'm going to be using a edge control. I'm going to give y'all a little tea on this edge control, because this edge booster, I really like this because it does not have a strong hold. And normally you would want your edge control to have like a strong hold, but nah, girl, like I like the soft hold. Like it doesn't make it hard and firm and like crunchy or anything. And eventually your baby hairs kind of start to lift up, which to me gives it more of like a natural look. So I really like this edge booster. It's definitely one of my favorite edge controls, especially when it comes to baby hairs and lace, because like I said, it just gives you all that naturalness going on. So I'm just going in with that fly tamer. We're about to get ready to style it. I decided to go ahead and do a little flip style because the wig kind of already came flipped on one side, like just from being in a box, and I was like, that is so cute. Let me go ahead and get with the flip bob. Okay, and that is it, honey. Final results, as y'all can see, y'all see how the baby hair, yeah, y'all see what I'm talking about. It looks so natural. My flips are popping, y'all. I'm so in love with this wig. Once again, if you're interested in this wig or any WowAfrican wigs, make sure to click those links down below. Catch their Black Friday sale because it is really, really lit. It's really popping. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.